Hello friends, welcome to my channel James Crush. Today I am going to share an exciting video which will give you a lot of information of getting profit. Our today's project is a great gaming project that will provide you a lot of profit. You can earn money by playing a game, and you can join this network for getting more profit by buying their NFT product and making them stack. So here you can watch. The link will be provided to in my description. Before that, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the whole information about their upcoming events. So you can watch here the zombie crypto vest product is present here. Here you can watch their about will be given. In general will be provided to you here. All the information about them will be provided to you in this project. Wild West Zombie Invested World, play to earn GCW coins, unique NFTs and much more. Private loot box has been present here. You can buy it. You can watch here the join our country. Here you can watch the Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Here you can watch the whole information about them has been provided to you here. A unique Wild West zombie infested world for you to shoot your way through. Here you can watch the shoot up these stupid zombies with your trusty 6 shooter and collect coins. So here you can watch the game procedure has been provided to you here. You can earn money by making this procedure. Game in details it will be given to you here. Here you can click on the details so that you can get all information about them. Here you can watch the play to earn. You can not only play but also gain by completing daily task quests and killing bosses will receive some tokens. Here you can watch the airdrops will be given to you here. You will reward the best players with airdrops. Become the best in weekly rating and get a well deserved reward. So you can watch the NFTs will be provided to you here. Customize your gear with unique NFT items and another bonus. Once the land is freed from zombies, you can buy it. Open your own NFT salon and make the profit from other player in your land. Here you can watch their all information about them will be given to you here. Battle zombie with different heroes will be given to you here. You will be able to play the game as different heroes, each with their own special abilities. Play as a cowboy, rangers, prisoner, robot, salon, madam and more. Unlock new heroes by purchasing NFTs. So you can watch here the all information about them has been provided to you here. Their graphics are given here. Here you can click on the next option. You will see their next products will be shown here. All the information about them you can get. Here you can watch the roadmap. Coming back together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Henry Forward is present here. Here you can watch their concepts is given here. Research will be provided to you here. You can watch the product designs will be given here. Marketing and development will also be present here. You can watch their operational game beta test, token sale and pre-sale will be soon. So you can earn this way. Here you can watch their mobile game version will be also present. On development stage will be given. On development stage will also be provided. Here you can watch the tokenomics will be given here. Work within the borders are also given. Gameplay inactive refill 35%. Each transaction include buying NFT heroes, buying NFT weapons, mining weapons. There is also a 10% fee on the NFT trading floor that will return zombie ZWC dollar to this pool. Here you can watch the token allocate for gameplay features 5% locked until new features. Here you can watch the marketing and development portion are also present. Airdrops 4% of airdrops is given. Pre-sale is 20%. Liquidity is 13%. Here you can watch the lock team vesting 10% of the lock team will be given to you here. Total supply is also present. Here you can watch their token afford will be given to you here. Soft and hard cap will be given to you here. 250 and 500 BNB minimum and maximum spend per account will be given to you here. And all information about them has been provided. Gallery is also present. Games, screenshot, image, videos and more information has been provided to you. Wild welcome to the Wild West. You can play this video and you can watch here the all information about them. Stories are also present. The best way to discover Wild Zombie West in the list of the Bearman stories. Here you can watch their play coins. Play chocolate has been present here. Play a small team experience professional. We work hard and with passion to create high quality. Here you can watch the PancakeSwap, Binance, the DApp, Radar, Interfi, Unity, and Play. All the information about them will be given to you here. Here you can join them on their social media platform like Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, Insta, and others, so that you can get the more information about their product. Here you can click on the Twitter account. You can watch here. I am going to show you in their Twitter account. You will get the instant information about their products. Here you can watch the 40 tweets has been already done. Here you can watch the Zombie Crypto Vest has been present here. Their products are also given. Their followers are also made up in a huge amount. You can watch. We keep moving on. Our lovely team made the decision to increase the budget and continue development. Here you can watch the Zombie Crypto Vest has been present here. All the upcoming events information will be provided to you in this video, in their social media platform, so that you can earn money. So it is a great project for earning in future. So you can join this network for playing a game. You can buy them on Pink Sale. Here you can watch their Pink Sale has also present, so that you can get this product. So it is a great project that will provide you a lot of profit. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that you can get my new upcoming videos information into your mobile or your social media platform. Here you can watch their Pink Sale, Binance, DApp also present. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.